Okay, cool. Nice. Very nice. Today we'll be solving radical equations and inequalities. You ready, class?
Yeah!
Thanks. That's good. Can we get a solo?
Yeah.
That was nice. Another solo? Please. Oh, you got the laughs? You got the laughs?
I'm okay.
I
You're
love
okay?
to laugh because I'm
Yeah, any
mad.
other solos? You have one?
Yeah!
That was good. Okay, nice. If you're stricken with it during the course of the class,
Yeah.
feel
We
free.
have like little copyright infringements. It'll be like hurrah algebra or something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start cheering.
Better not take away my yay.
Be some other guy.
Now oh, by the way, I'm wearing the Maryland vintage jersey because that's where I went to school and that's my hometown. I'm trying to represent. Represent. Okay.
You got it, teacher.
You got it, student. Okay, how do we
Alright,
solving radical equations? This is a radical equation. How do we solve it? What do we do to both sides to simplify first? Yes?
You subtract by 2.
Subtract 2 on both sides. Here we go. Square root of. Okay, now that we have the square root isolated, what do we do to both sides to cancel the square root? Yes, loud.
Square them.
Square both sides. Square both sides. Good. Here it comes. Squaring both sides. Sorry. Right. So, when you square a square root, that cancels the square root, leaving just what here? X plus 1. Very nice. Equals 2 squared is 4, and we're one step away. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. X equals 3. X equals 3.
Yay.
Wow. Like a
All
little
right.
victory.
Yeah. Now, keep in mind, with all of these problems, more than most cases, you need to plug these in. Because we're going to do problems in which sometimes it won't work. And sometimes there'll be no solution. So we must plug into check. Check. Check.
What are you supposed to do?
It.
Check it out.
Check it. So, plug in 3. Boom.
3 plus 1.
3 plus 1. The square root of 3 plus 1 is the square root of 4.
2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is 4. This time it works.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa,
Questions? Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
X plus 1 is 4.
Whoa! Yeah, what?
X plus 1 is 4.
Okay, so no. Yeah, plug in 3. So square root of 4,
Oh.
right?
So it's, then it's 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is 4. All right. Sometimes it won't work. We have to check every time. I'm erasing. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye.
Get back to your human
if it
abilities.
matches, does that mean?
If it matches, then the solution is correct. Yes, thank you for asking. Okay. Here it comes. We have 5 of these. That's 1. Do you feel it? What 1 is what percent of 5?
Don't do this to me.
Oh, dude. All right, 6.
20?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
4.
So we have 20% of our work done.
Totally get
Rock.
Oh, that's
Don't
where
have.
it.
Nice. Yeah. This is the second 20%. What do we do to both sides? Subtract 3. Very nice. 6 and minus 5 to the 1/3 equals negative 5. Good. Good eye. Good eye. Good eye. Now, to get rid of a square root, we squared both sides. Remember, we talked about this being a cube root. You take the denominator and put it here. Or it's to the 1/3. What do we do to both sides? You said it. You cube both sides to get rid of the 1/3. Green.
Wait.
Green.
Is that only for 1/3 fractions? I'm glad you know your colors.
Thank you. Sorry,
Is
what?
that only for 1/3 fractions?
Yes. Yeah.
So would you just do it by the denominator?
You do it by the denominator, sure. It's one
Of
way
the
to see it.
exponent.
Of the exponent, correct. Here we go. To the 3. To the 3. To the 3.
To the what?
Totally stole that from Beauty and the Beast.
What part?
I think it was
Kill the
Lion King,
bees.
actually.
Oh, yeah. Kill the bees! Kill the bees! Remember that part? Too kind and gentle to fight back. Anyway. Yeah. I have history with Beauty and the Beast. It was my favorite at the time. Okay, so 6
He watches it all the time. Step into the light.
That's so
I
cute.
also used to watch that.
I wrote negative 125. Objections?
No, because negative 5 times negative 5 is 25
25
times
and
another
25
negative 5.
times 25.
Okay,
Good job.
here we go.
Add 20. Add 5.
Add 5.
120
Negative 120.
6n is negative 120.
and equals
6.
negative 20. Negative 6.
And equals negative 20.
Now we gotta plug it back in.
Now we gotta plug it back in. Does it work?
30.
Well, 6 times negative.
Let's try it out, yeah.
Negative 20 minus 5 to the
Oh.
1/3.
So yeah, let's do it. This is negative 120. We're plugging it
Minus
in.
5.
Minus 5.
is
That's good.
negative
This is negative 125.
to the 1/3.
Negative 120. Let's do it over here. Negative 125 to the 1/3 be what?
Which is really
Oh. 5.
Negative 5?
Negative 5. Yeah.
Right? You're right. You're on it. You're on it. It's the same thing as the cube root of negative 125.
Yes.
And basically, cube root means what again?
What times what times what?
What times what times what equals what's inside here? And the answer is
negative.
negative 5. Say it loud and say it proud. Negative 5.
Negative 5.
So this whole junk in the chunk is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 3 is what?
Negative 2.
Negative 2, so it works. This one works. Okay.
Another victory.
Another victory. 40% of our problems are done. 60%.
is room.
Coming at you.
Anyone have a yaymath solo?
Yaymath! No?
Wait. Ooh, you were just called out.
Anyone else? I like that. I like things like you get caught up.
That's like one of those baby ducks that like aren't really sure.
Sounds like a
I
people.
know.
It's
It's like that's
fully developed.
that's Doug first. Should we cross now? Like
Wow.
I know.
How do you say no?
You're gonna be on the internet.
Doesn't matter. There is no in my world. X minus 15. And that's why I went to jail. Never mind. Yeah.
Is that a story for another time?
Another time.
Good time, kids.
Fiction.
Fiction.
Can we simplify it all?
Square root.
Sure we could.
Can we can't. Can we?
Simplicities.
You say so.
I think I.
We can't simplify anymore before we have to square is
Yeah,
my
we
question.
do.
Do you understand?
I can't see the rest of the problem.
Thank you.
Do you see how we need to square both sides? We can't, if we moved anything around, it wouldn't change the problem. It wouldn't simplify at
Would we
all.
have to square the 3 or no?
We have to square the entire side.
Oh, cool.
Alright, we have to square the entire side. Here it comes. And I would really very much be pleased if someone can tell me the entire second line here. Yes.
X minus 15 equals 9.
X minus 15
Equals
equals
9 minus 6.
9 minus x is a very reasonable guess.
And it's wrong.
And I understand why you said 9 minus x. It's almost there. You're missing one thing, so I'm glad you volunteered. Yes.
X.
It's not 9 plus x
Darn.
either. I understand why you said 9 plus x.
2 root.
9 minus 6x.
No.
9 minus 6 radical x.
9 minus 6 radical
Yeah, 'cause
x.
you have to
Yeah, you're
FOIL.
knocking on the door. You're knocking on the door. You're
No,
almost in.
no,
I
it's-
want to let you
no.
in. Yes, yes, yes.
I was
Oh,
gonna say plus
oh no, 9.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
9
X
minus 4.
3x. Plus x.
Can I do something to
No,
help
it's
you?
just not. It's
Give
just
us the
9.
answer.
No, no, I'm not going to give you the answer. I'm just going to give you an
They
equivalence.
cancel out. You just have to do.
Oh.
Oh, you want us to fold
Yeah, I know.
it?
9.
Are these the same?
Yeah.
So it's
9 minus.
So is it just 9?
What's that? Who wants to try now?
9 squared. Minus x.
minus 6 radical x.
So no.
Okay, go walk it through. Go ahead.
Alright, so you do negative x times 3, which is...
Where is the FOIL, right? FOIL?
Alright, FOIL. So first you have 9.
9.
Alright. Then you have negative 3 to the radical x.
This one, right?
Okay.
You just did this one. Good. So then you have negative 3 radical x. Good.
Then you have
Writing
another.
that here.
Then you have another negative 3 radical x.
And then another negative 3 radical
Minus
x.
6x minus
Any questions so far on the I here for FOIL? I there.
Okay, and
And
then
then
plus x.
plus x. Very good.
Alright, so
Why don't you do the
So it's
other one?
Because it's a square root. Just the square root squared becomes x minus 15. It's a good question. Squaring gets rid of the square root, so we're done with the square root. Here, not everything's in the square root. You have 2 terms over here. So they both need to be squared.
Why doesn't it just cancel out anyway? 6 goes to 9, and
How do you mean? This doesn't, you mean like 9? This turns
yeah,
into 9.
why not?
Because if we're squaring the entire
That's
side,
6.
we're squaring everything in these green parentheses. How do you square everything in these parentheses? You have to write it twice
Spoiler.
and run through. All right? Your mind's in the right direction. Yeah?
Okay, I get it.
You sure? Yeah, feel free to ask it. Follow up if you need to. Combine like terms here.
negative 6 radical
Negative 6 radical x. Good. So this remains.
Wait, I have a question.
Please.
How is negative? Wait, how is root x times? Oh, never mind. I got it.
Okay. Yeah, we multiply root x times 3 twice. So this is 9
No,
minus 6 root x plus x. This is x minus 15. Okay, now we solve. Can we combine like terms in any way?
The 9 and the 15.
9 and 15, so what do you want to do to both sides? Good call.
Add 15.
Why don't you just
Minus
subtract?
9.
Oh, well.
Let's
So then it's negative numbers.
Why don't
It doesn't
you
really
subtract
matter.
X
let's subtract x.
and then you can subtract 9.
What happens to the x's?
They cancel out.
They're gone.
And then you
Okay,
can
so what I'm going to
subtract
do
9.
now is I'm going to recycle. I'm going to bring it up here. Okay? May I take the problem away?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take the problem away. And we'll take it up to that. Okay. And bring this up here. Recycle. Little teacher maneuvers. Okay, what are we left? You want to do something with the 9 and 15 now?
Subtract
Yeah,
9.
can you subtract 9?
Let's subtract 9, sure. Okay, here comes subtracting 9. Subtracting 9. What are we left with here?
Negative 20.
Negative 23. Good job, good job. 24.
24.
Negative 24. Equals.
Negative 6.
So this is gone.
Negative 6. Root x.
Negative 6 root x.
Did you divide it by negative 6 and square both sides?
Yep. She said, would you divide it by negative 6 and square both sides? And that's right. So let's do that.
So 4.
Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6.
So 4 equals.
So 4 equals. Now I'm going to get rid of the rest here. So we keep isolating x as much as we can. So we can get rid of this. Okay, here we go. Clean, clean, clean. So I'm going to write the square root of x equals 4. Square both sides.
X equals 6.
X equals 16. Very nice.
We
Okay.
have to plug it back in.
Yeah, let's plug it back in to make sure. So what was the original equation?
It was square root x minus 15 equals 3 minus square root x.
Okay, if 16 works here, then our solution is correct. If 16 does not work, there is no solution. Questions on that concept? Okay, feel free to ask if you have any. Here we go. Plug in 16 here. What do we get?
1.
1. What's the square root of 1?
1.
1. So this whole thing on the left side is 1. Okay, plug in 16 here. What do we get?
4.
Good, good. Square root of 16 is 4. 3 minus 4 is?
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Doesn't.
No solution. No solution.
I got 16 was the solution.
16 was our proposed solution. But when we tried it, it went nowhere. So there's actually no number for x that can work here. No number for
So
x.
16 is the closest to it.
16 is a candidate, if you will.
Like if it's gonna have a solution, 16 would be good.
If it's going to have a solution, 16 will be it. Right. Okay? Interesting, huh?
So what?
Don't have to answer.
Will that eventually lead to graphing it?
Well, you don't really graph equations. You know, like with an equal sign. You solve them. You solve equations. Graphing is like y would equal blah, blah, blah. We did do graphing. Any more yaymaths?
Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah? You're running out of gas in your old tank.
A little bit.
Good.
That sounds really boring.
All right. We have two more. Here we go.
Like the rest of the night.
Can you try walking it through?
Now walk it out.
Walk it out. Walk it out. I walk it out. I walk it out.
Copyright.
Okay. First Amendment. Yeah. What do you got?
Do we square?
Square.
It doesn't really
Or not
work.
square, square both sides.
Square both sides.
So it's x plus
You, please, if you feel brave and confident, say what this will be.
Pass.
Pass. Totally fine. Yes.
It's x plus 2 equals
I want you to try this.
x minus 4 and then parentheses x minus 4.
X plus 2 equals, yes?
Parentheses x minus 4 and parentheses x minus 4.
Cool. X minus 4 times x minus 4. What is that?
4.
Do it.
Wait, you can't write x squared minus 16.
X squared.
It's not x squared minus 16, remember? It's a binomial and your FOIL.
Because it doesn't have a square root.
It's
Yeah.
x squared
X squared, good.
and negative 4x
Minus 4x.
minus 4x
Minus 4x is what?
minus
minus
8x.
8x
Say it. You're good. You got
minus
it.
4x.
Minus 4x minus 4x is what?
Oh, it's
Minus 8x.
Minus 8x. Good. Next.
Okay, that's minus 16
Plus
plus 16.
16. Very good. Okay, you feel comfortable? You just walk through it nice and calmly and you'll be okay. All right, who knows what to do from here? Yes.
We could subtract 2 from both sides.
Subtract 2 from both sides. And what else?
Combine
Move the 8 over.
Add 8x.
to both sides.
Nope.
Why not? Why can't you add?
Factor.
Oh,
Factor. What do we do to factor?
parentheses.
What
So-
adds
Wait, not yet.
X.
Equals.
I'll do it.
Subtract x.
Subtract x.
Everything's coming together.
Notice when we have x squared and an x and other stuff like that, we have to get everything on one side. So over here, what do we left?
Nothing.
Nothing. The term for
Zero.
nothing in math is 0. All
0
right.
equals x squared.
Minus
9x.
9x. Almost there. 9x
Plus 14.
plus 14.
Factor.
Now we factor. I hope this is coming to a consolidated place of life.
Consolidation.
Consolidation. Consolidation is a hobby. I like filling 2 half bottles of ketchup into 1 bottle. It makes me happy. Consolidate!
I was going to say something really rude.
Yeah. Thanks for not.
Save
Okay.
it for later.
Yeah. X.
7 and 2.
You know what I mean? Yeah, 7 and 2. 2 half bottles of Coke when you just like fill them into 1 bottle. Isn't that a great feeling?
Yeah, because now you have 1 full bottle.
When you have 1 full bottle, then you recycle the other one. Consolidate.
Say it in writing.
So, with the
Agreed.
sound.
Nothing.
No, just kidding. There's no problem with the sound. Anyway, what are the signs? Minus, minus. What are the solutions?
2 and 7.
Was that from Wayne's World?
X equals 2? I think so. X equals 7. All right, we have to try both. We have to try both. Volunteer to try 2. Volunteer to try 2. Right? Don't be afraid. You're okay.
Okay, I'll try 2.
Try. Here we go.
Okay, so 2 plus 2, which is 4.
Square root of 4. 2. So this would be 2 over here.
So it would be 2 equals 2 minus negative 2.
So does it work?
No.
Negative 2 squared.
No. The squared is not part of the problem.
So 2 equals negative. No.
So it doesn't work. Right. That's out.
That's not a
Why
solution.
is it negative 2 and negative 7?
Because when you FOIL, you'll get negative 9x plus 14.
Wait, why isn't the 2 1?
9
We're going to do that again.
plus
Remember, x squared
Yeah.
minus 7x minus 2x plus 14.
So,
FOIL.
yeah,
So it's the same thing.
but then
Why what?
why isn't it,
Thank you. Yes.
why isn't that, in the problem you took the 2 and you took the 7, right? On the,
Yeah, 2 times 7 makes
So
14.
you got the x equals 2 and x equals 7 from the,
From this and this, yeah.
Because x
so
minus
why is it negative 2 and negative 7?
X minus 2 and x minus 7 FOIL to make this, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, they do. So, what value for x will create 0 here?
Oh.
2. Okay? Okay, good. Now let volunteer to plug in the 7. Yes, please.
Alright, so square root of 9
Square root of 9 would be
3
3. And then 7 minus 4,
is
3. So does it work?
yes.
So this is the solution. So see how one worked and one didn't. One worked and one did not. Okay, one more, you guys. One more. Bear with it. You guys can feel like, there's a lot of math intensity in here. I know.
Yeah.
If that's what you
So was that yes or no?
This works. This does not. This is the solution. X equals 7 is the only solution.
7.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I like that song too.
Nobody laughed. Don't put the
Yay, ma, All right. Same concept applies, except one thing. One major caveat. Can the square root of any number, the square root, can that be negative ever?
No.
No. No. So what we have to do is, before we do any sort of mathematical things, we need to go over here. We need to say 4x minus 6. Correct? Do you understand why we're doing this?
Where did the other 6 go?
We're not doing this problem yet. What we're doing is, we're taking this thing, and we're saying, this piece, based on the rules of square roots, has to be either 0 or more.
Okay.
Because there's no square root of a negative.
Because there's no, this can't be negative inside here. Right? That's very importante. Okay?
Okay.
Actually, you know what I'm going to do better than that? Square root of 6 is greater than 0. Yeah. Okay. So we add 6 to both sides. Yeah. That's 4x greater than or equal to 6. X greater than or equal to 3 over 2.
Where did you get 3 over 2?
Divide both sides by 4. Right. Okay, you know what? I'm going to actually cut it here. It's cool. It's cool. We're not going to push it. You know, if you ever try so hard you end up doing more harm than good?
Yeah.
I'm going to make an executive decision here. It's awesome. No, yeah, we're going to stop it soon. Alright, we'll pick it up next time. It's totally cool. I applaud you. Applaud yourselves. Yeah. Everyone applaud. Yay.